Worth it bang bumili ng Osaka Amazing Pass? Watch till the end to find out. I will break down kung paano namin ito ginamit at magkano yung regular cost ng bawat activity versus the one-day Osaka Amazing Pass that I got from Klook for only 1,290 pesos. The Osaka Amazing Pass gives you free access to 40 iconic attractions and unlimited subway and bus rides. Yes po, opo, it's free and unlimited. It's so convenient to use kasi di mo na kailangan ng physical ticket. You just need to scan or present your QR code to enter. Una naming pinuntahan is the Tsutenkaku Tower, which was styled after the Eiffel Tower, and may similarities nga sila. The staff just scanned my QR code at pinaakyat na kami sa observatory deck. Standing 91 meters above ground, you'll get a 360 bird's eye view of the city and Osaka skyline. Then in the same building, we also tried the tower slider. This was so fun and bibigyan ka pa nila ng video for free. While you're here, you can also walk around and admire the vintage retro vibe of the Shinsekai Market located just below the tower. Madaming kainan dito if you're hungry. Sunod naming pinuntahan is the Osaka Tennoji Zoo. Malapit lang siya sa Tsutenkaku Tower, like 4 minutes walk away lang. And I thought parang petting zoo lang siya pero ang lawak din pala. It has around 180 species and houses 1,000 animals, including turtles, snakes, crocodiles, hippos, lions, tigers, different birds, and many more. But the highlight for me was seeing a polar bear. It looks like a giant dog, so cute. Sunod naming pinuntahan is the Omeda Sky Building. If gusto nyong umakyat sa observatory deck, then you need to be here before 3 p.m. So keep that in mind kasi after 3 p.m. hindi na siya free. We learned that the hard way kasi di namin ito naabutan. But the viral escalator ride is free for everyone and only sakay kami dito. Up next is the Tenposan Ferris Wheel, the second largest Ferris wheel in Japan. But it was once the tallest Ferris wheel in the world when it opened in 1997. Each ride takes about 15 minutes, giving you a full circle view of the Osaka Bay and the city skyline. This is located by the harbor and actually may cruise ship pa ngang nakapark sa pantalan and it was so huge. Overall, naka 4 activities kami plus 10 train rides using my Osaka Amazing Pass. To summarize, here's a breakdown of all our activities and their regular price, which amounts to 2,398 pesos. But I got it all using my Osaka Amazing Pass for only 1,290 pesos. So nakatipid kami ng 1,108 pesos or 46.21%. And if you plan your day right, you can even add more activities to your day. So yes, I think super worth it kumuha ng Osaka Amazing Pass from Klook. Be sure to use my code and click the link in my bio to get discounts on Klook. And save this video if gusto nyo rin to matry. More Japan adventures coming soon, so do like and follow to stay updated. Yun lang. Okay, thanks, bye!